Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the latest, most insightful product reviews. Today, we're looking at the GoWISE USA 5.8-Quart Programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL, a product that promises to deliver crispy, tasty dishes with little to no oil. This sleek, chili red air fryer is more than just a pretty face. It's designed to fry, bake, grill, and roast all in one compact countertop appliance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's see what it really offers. At first glance, this air fryer has a modern design that will fit in nicely in any kitchen. The advanced touchscreen menu is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone, from beginners to experienced cooks, to get started. It comes with 8 preset cooking functions: fries, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. These presets take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring you get the right results every time. The wide temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments gives you precise control over your cooking, and the timer can be set up to 30 minutes. Plus, the new Start-Stop button allows you to adjust the temperature and time in the middle of a cook cycle, a feature you didn't know you needed until you use it. One of the most useful features is the built-in shake reminder. Whether you're cooking fries or chicken, the air fryer will beep at 5, 10, or 15-minute intervals, reminding you to shake your ingredients for even cooking. This is a game changer, especially for foods that tend to cook unevenly if left undisturbed. But how does it perform in real-world use? Setting up the GoWISE USA air fryer is quick and simple. The touchscreen menu guides you through the process, and before you know it, you're cooking your first meal. We tried making crispy French fries, a classic air fryer test. With a little bit of oil, they came out golden brown and crispy, just like you'd expect from deep frying, minus the mess and the extra calories. The chicken wings were another test, and they turned out juicy on the inside with a crispy exterior. However, we found that the cooking time can be a little longer than expected for certain items like steak, so be prepared to adjust the time if necessary. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the GoWISE USA air fryer excels in versatility. With its multiple cooking functions, it can easily handle a wide variety of dishes, from fries and wings to cakes and even pizza. The shake reminder is a clever addition, making sure your food cooks evenly without much effort on your part. The sleek design and easy-to-use interface make it a standout in both performance and style. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the air fryer is easy to use, the basket could be a bit larger. For larger families or groups, you may find yourself cooking in batches, especially if you're preparing meals like chicken or steak. Also, while the cooking presets are helpful, they're not always perfect for every dish, so you may need to experiment a bit to get your ideal results. Another minor downside is the cooking time. It's not the fastest air fryer on the market, so if you're in a rush, you might have to plan ahead a bit more. So, does the GoWISE USA air fryer offer good value for money? Considering its features, the build quality, and the convenience it brings to the table, it certainly offers solid value. Priced in the mid-range for air fryers, it competes well with other models like the Ninja air fryer or the Instant Pot Vortex. What sets the GoWISE apart is its range of presets and the shake reminder feature, which adds a layer of ease to the cooking process. When comparing it to similar models, the Ninja air fryer, for example, also offers multiple cooking functions and a compact design, but it lacks the shake reminder feature. The Instant Pot Vortex, while similarly priced, doesn't have quite as many preset options, which means you may need to do a bit more manual intervention to get your food just right. While all three are competitive options, the GoWISE stands out for its extra features like the shake alarm and its intuitive touchscreen interface. Looking at the build quality, the GoWISE USA air fryer feels sturdy and well-made. The exterior is sleek, and while it's not overly heavy, it feels solid in hand. The nonstick basket is easy to clean, which is a huge plus when dealing with air fryers. There's no data on long-term durability yet, but based on the reputation of GoWISE products and their customer service, I'd say you can expect this air fryer to hold up well with regular use. Speaking of customer support, GoWISE USA has a reputation for being responsive and helpful. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, along with 1-year support and lifetime customer care for registered products. If you run into any issues, you can count on them to assist you in getting things sorted out quickly. When it comes to software updates, there aren't any relevant updates to discuss for this model, as it's a straightforward air fryer with no smart features or connectivity. So, we can skip that part. To wrap things up, the GoWISE USA 5.8-Quart Programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use air fryer. It delivers on its promise to cook your favorite foods with little to no oil, and it does so with a user-friendly interface and some thoughtful features, like the shake reminder. While it could use a larger basket and a bit more speed, it's a well-rounded option for most households. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines convenience, performance, and a sleek design, the GoWISE USA air fryer is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from Reviewsinsidetv. And if you already own the GoWISE USA air fryer or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more honest reviews. Goodbye, till next time, where we keep the reviews crispy and fresh here at Reviewsinside TV.